Hello guys, welcome to B&M Excavation. Hope you enjoy the channel and the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned in for more good content. Let me answer this call. Alright guys, so the groundhog's come in for a little bit of doctoring. Broke a thumb on it the other day. And we're trying to doctor his head up right now. So working on that here in the shop. Lights down, and I think we're going to go ahead and do a service on it. Try to get doctored up. That'll work. That looks pretty good.
I'm gonna go with my safety glasses.
Yeah, welder's filled up.
Yeah, we'll have to.
Right,
I was trying to cut down and get it smooth, and it cut.
No, that one goes over there. We have to twist it out. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know that it matters.
I'm sorry.
No, put these on.
Yeah, that's great.
That ain't working either. Give me that thing. Stack the top of it right there. Stack the top of it right there.
Yeah.
Well, let's let him have that bucket and he took that mud back.
I don't know if that'll be enough ground for it or not. Yeah, let's clean it up.
Probably not.
No, I think it's squirting in that bucket.
Huh?
No, I think it's squirting in that bucket.
And nothing in that bucket. That one in the ground it was.
Now, when they had to clean up a spot and ground it,
tires around it. Whoa.
We gonna try to fill that big gap. I missed it, I think. I couldn't see nothing.
Ow!
That seems pretty hot, don't it?
I didn't see it either, but I sure felt it.
Let me weld up his side just a little bit and see what it'll do. What do you think? Throw a breaker. I think so.
Oh boy. That'll be fun to get there. Look at that right there, guys. That's pretty slick. Well, guys, if you noticed anything different about the banger, it has no tags on it now. The banger is a goner. I traded the banger off. I no longer own it. I gotta finish cleaning it out, but it's going to a different place, so joy. There happened to be what I traded for. So anyway, I gotta find this piece of metal and get back down here to the shop. They're waiting on me. Alright guys, so it turned out pretty good. He welded it in full and then ground it back down smooth and made sure it's no holes or nothing like that. Look at that, it looks like a mirror. So it's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of this little angle iron and cut it and weld it in here in between these. So hopefully it'll keep it from spreading out. But we'll see how it goes. Depending on how the doctor feels, we might weld this in here today too. Get our exhaust on out of the way. So I seem a little distracted, guys. I'm getting some text message coming through, but we'll get him to weld that if he feels like it today. He's not been feeling good, but he's done a good job welding. He's done all the welding on this thing. He fixed the canopy before when it broke. He put pieces inside here, drove them in and welded it, and fixed it before. I think there's videos of that on my channel where he was welding these front pieces up. I was supposed to paint them, never did, but whatever. Guys, what a wonderful job. Maybe that'll keep it from spreading out right there. Keep it from breaking. Anyway, looks like what the doctor ordered to me. Alright guys, putting the drain in down through here, washing his gravel off. Was roading the ditch out down through here. So what we've done is put 18-inch drain tile in, and we put pea gravel in the bottom, as you see, and that's perforated pipe. We're going to put these big rock in that for it to filter through, and yeah, try to get the pipe covered up, and I think it'll work. All of his water comes down this way and goes into this. right down the edge of that road where it was going before, so hopefully this will stop it. We'll see what we got. guys, so we got the thumb finished up, got it painted up, got the groundhog serviced. The thumb actually turned out pretty nice, so hopefully it'll work, and hopefully everything will work out good with that. So far so good. I think this will be the piece that makes all the difference. Keep it from spreading out back here on the end. So hopefully that'll work. We got our other wheels for the walk behind. They're more of a turf tire, but they're wider. I think I can get a little more fluid in those than I can in these, and give it a little wider stance too. So hope everybody enjoys the videos. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys.